topic that we have PITA. Okay, what is the PITA meaning? Plugging in the answer. I'll tell you what is the meaning. How do we solve it? This is the one question. There is one more approach, keep in the mind, that is called PITA. One more strategy, PITA. PITA means what? Plugging in the answer, which means I will go from the option directly. I'll see how. Say. So how many people are there? There are 3 members. Weekend, Roger, Adam. They're buying a radio. Roger is paying twice as much as Adam. Weekend paying 3 times as much as Roger. But total cost, how much total cost of the radio? $90. How much does Roger pay? So whatever option is given is for the Roger, isn't it?
Yes.
Right, Weekend also, Adam also. Okay. If Roger is paying $10, I mean we'll see which is my correct answer. So I am going through the always the middle value. I'll tell you why I am choosing the middle value first. Let's assume 30 is my answer. Let's assume Roger is paying 30 rupees, $30 is my answer. I'm assuming it, keep in the mind. And if the total amount, how much will be total amount? If Roger, Weekend and Adam all together, $90. Right? Let's assume my answer is $30, which means Roger is paying $30. Then what about Weekend? Roger pays twice much as Adam. So what about Adam then? 15? Correct, no? And Weekend pays 3 times as much as Roger. How much here? 90. 3 times of Roger. So this value you add together, will I get more than 90 or less than 90?
More than 90.
Of course. How much will get here? The 90 will get 120 plus 15. How much? 135. But what is my target should be? Altogether 90. It means that the addition is much more bigger. So should I take the Roger payment less than 30 or more than 30? Less than 30, which means I can eliminate option number 45, 65, 30. Understood? Did you get it? Why did I take the middle value? This always. And one more good point, remember everybody, many beginners do not know that in the GRE, whatever you have the option choices, right, you'll have always increasing order or decreasing order. Always. This is the uniqueness of the GRE paper. The GRE, every question in GRE, MCQ question, will have the option in order. It could be increasing order, decreasing order, but most of the time I have seen is increasing order. So the approach what I'm talking about, the PITA approach, right, will works good in this way. So always I'll assume, you should assume the middle number is my answer and go through the questions and see the target. My target is 90 here, but I'm getting 135, so huge number. So I must decrease the value. Let's go with the 20 now. If Roger is paying 20, what about the Adam then? Half, 10. Then what about the Weekend then? 3 times 60. So add together how much you'll get? 90. Correct? My target is achieved.
Okay. Yes, sir. I understand.
My answer is this one. If you want to go for the 10, let's check 10, but that is not my answer, but just for your confirmation. So what about Adam then? 5. What about Weekend? 30. Adding together how much you'll get? Will I get 90? I'll get 45, not my answer. Remember my target is here 90. I got my target only in the option number B, and that is my answer.
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning of PITA. Okay, shall we go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Let's go for this question. Mike buys a used car and has it repainted. if the cost of the paint job is 1/5 of the purchase price of the car, and if the cost of the car and the paint job combined is how much? 4,800. Then what is the purchase price of the car? So again, I can use the PITA plugging in. PITA, I can do it in the answer. So whatever given in the option is given the purchase price of the car,
Yeah.
isn't it? That's the price of the car. If I add the painting cost, correct? No. See, it's given
Yes.
here the purchase price of the car and the painting cost. 1/5 of the purchase price is the painting cost. No,
Yes, sir.
correct? Isn't
Yes, sir.
it? So if you 1/5 of the painting, one fifth of the price, the painting cost. If I add it together, how much will get the target? 4,800.
800.
Correct? No. The
Hmm.
cost of the car and the painting job combined is $4,800. So which means the car price plus the painting price together is 4,800, and that is my target will be. Now let's assume the middle value. What is the middle value here? 3,000.
3,840.
That is the price of the car. So what should be the painting? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of 3,840. How much you'll get? I'll get here, this is 5 sevens are 35, correct? 5 6 are 30 and 5 eights are. If I add it together, will I get 488? I will not get, right? I will not get my target, isn't it? I'll not get my target. Now let's, how much you'll get the value, by the way? You'll get more or less than, how much you'll get? 3840. If I add plus 768, how much you'll get? Yeah, 3840, right? And you add, so 768, correct?
So less,
4
less
6,
than 800.
will we get 4608? No,
Hmm.
which is less than this one. So I should go above or down? The value must be more than or less than that value. See,
More than.
more than, right? Yogendra, I can, yes, I can eliminate this. Let's go with the 4,000. So what is the 1 by 5 of 4,000? It means 20% of 4,000. How much you'll get? 20%? 800, no?
Hmm.
If you add together, how much you'll get then? My target achieved. Correct, no? 1 by 5 of 4,000, right? The painting cost, that is 800. Or add a 4,000 plus 800. How much you'll get? 4,800 is my target. And my target is given this one. The price cost, remember the price plus the painting cost
Yes, sir. Yes.
together is 4,800. No,
Yes, sir.
and the price given in the option already,
Hmm.
right? The price I took 4,000. Now the painting cost must be 1 by 5 of 4,000. So 1 by 5 is 20%. Correct? No. So 1 by 20% of 4,000. That is how much you'll get? 800. Add the 800 to the price. I'll get 4,800, and that is the total cost.
Yes.
Which means I got my target here. My answer
Hmm.
is this one. 4,000 is my answer. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So